Hello, welcome to Lingustar. I am Teacher Dusty, your friendly teacher from the Philippines. Hello, what is your name? Hi, Lucia. Welcome to my class. How are you today? Are you happy or sad? Oh, you're happy today. Great. So now, are you ready to listen? Okay. Today, we were going to study about birds. So, can all birds fly? Let's find out. What can you see in the pictures? Okay, very good. An animals. So, Lucia, do you love animals? Oh, great. Yes, I like animals too. So, what animals do you like? Oh, do you like cat? Meow, meow. Teacher like dog. So now, let's move on. What bird is it? A magpie. Very good, Lucia. So, this is a magpie. Very good. So, how many magpie do you see? Very good. Two magpies. Very good. And because of that, I will give you your first star. 10, 10, and 10, 10. This is your first star, Lucia. Great job. So, magpies are birds. Very good. So now, can you find all the magpies in the picture? Circle. You circle all the magpies. Go, Lucia. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, good job. You found all the magpies. So let's count how many magpies are there. One, two, three. Very good. Four, five. Okay. Can you say five magpies? Great job. So because of that, I will give you a great job star. 10, 10, and 10, 10. Good job, Lucia. So, okay. So look at the picture and say, magpies are birds. Very good. Magpies can fly. Very good, Lucia. Okay, next. Oh, what can you see in the picture? What bird is it? Very good, Lucia. A penguin. Very good. Okay, so this is a penguin. Very good. So now, how many penguins do you see in the picture? Okay, two penguins. Very good. So now, penguins are birds. Okay, very good. So, oh, Mr. Penguin is sad because he cannot find his wing. Can you help Mr. Penguin Lucia to find his wing? Can you circle? Can you circle Mr. Penguin's wings? Very good, Lucia. So now Mr. Penguin is happy because you found his missing wings. That's why Mr. Penguin will give you a ice cream. Mr. Penguin is happy now. Thank you, Lucia, for helping Mr. Penguin. Okay. Okay. Look at the picture. Say penguin are birds. Penguins cannot fly. Very good, Lucia. Okay, now, okay, magpies can fly. Very good. Penguins cannot fly. Okay, magpies and penguins are birds. Good job, Lucia. I'll give you your star. 10, 10, and 10, 10, 10, 10. Great job. So now let's let's proceed to our activity. I will ask you a question and complete the sentence, okay? Let's get started. So, can penguins fly? Yes or no? Can penguins fly? Okay, very good, Lucia. Penguins cannot fly. Very good. Okay, next. Are magpies are birds? Are magpies are bird? Yes or no? Very good. Yes. Magpies are birds. Great job, Lucia. So, okay. Always remember that magpies can fly, penguins cannot fly. Okay, say it again. Magpies can fly, penguins cannot fly. Good job. And also, remember that magpies and penguins are birds. Very good. So now, Lucia, do you have or do you know any birds that cannot fly? Okay, that's okay. I will show you one. So what bird is it? Very good, Lucia. It is an ostrich. So ostrich is a bird. Ostrich cannot fly like penguin. Great job, Lucia. You did a great job today. So thank you for listening, Lucia. Thank you for attending my class. See you next time. Goodbye.